How to make money on Pinterest in current year, $1,000 plus per month. Since 2010, Pinterest has been helping people find DIY projects, recipes, products they love, how-tos, and thousands of other random things. It's both a creative outlet and a marketer's dream, meaning you can learn to make money on Pinterest in several different ways. There have been changes over the years to how you can make money on Pinterest, specifically related to affiliate marketing. But Pinterest content is getting so much better, and every user is getting a more authentic experience. There are opportunities for bloggers, virtual assistants, affiliate marketing directly through Pinterest, and more. Become a Pinterest virtual assistant. Pinterest virtual assistants help bloggers, social media influencers, and online business owners optimize their Pinterest accounts. One of the things Pinterest virtual assistants like so much about the work is that it's insanely flexible. You work when you want and where you want, and it stays interesting. Most Pinterest virtual assistants have several clients, and they perform different kinds of Pinterest management tasks for each one. Start a blog. There are plenty of items on this list that will help you make money on Pinterest, but blogging has the highest earning potential of them all. Over the years, Pinterest has become a massive platform that allows bloggers to reach millions of people on the internet every year. There's a common misconception that Pinterest is just another social media platform like Instagram, TikTok, and the rest, but that simply isn't true. It's much more powerful in terms of helping bloggers make money with their content. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your e-commerce site. If you have an e-commerce site, selling printables on Etsy, for example, you can drive traffic to your site and make money with Pinterest. If you're an online shop owner, you can utilize Pinterest in the same ways that bloggers do. That's creating pins to promote new products, putting together boards for different styles or themes, doing keyword research, etc. You can even create promoted pins, which look like normal pins but are basically Pinterest's version of Facebook ads. You can optimize your promoted pins to meet different goals: traffic, brand awareness, app installs, etc. You can choose to place ads in browse mode. But you can also do it in search mode, where you would pick the keywords a user would need to search to see your ads. This is a valuable placement because you're getting ads in front of people who are searching specifically for your product, or at least ones like it. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Affiliate marketing is when you partner with companies to promote products and/or services. Affiliate marketing is one of several different ways that bloggers make money, but it's also a legit way to make money on Pinterest. You can find affiliates through networks like Share Asali, Flex Offers, and more. Once you have affiliates to work with, you create pins with affiliate links in the text. Gain a skill from Pinterest and monetize it. Another way to think about Pinterest is as a huge learning library. You can put in the most random stuff and find that someone, somewhere has pinned something about it. You can learn how to decorate cakes, build furniture, make origami stars, and much more. Not only can you find all of these different things, but you can also collect and organize them. That's just scratching the surface of what you can learn how to do on Pinterest. Rather than focusing on how to make money on Pinterest, think about what you can learn from Pinterest. Do a joint promotion with a brand. This is when a pinner works directly with a brand to create pins that promote the company's products. It can be product placement things. Help people shop your look. Shop the look pins are a really popular way for pinners to earn money by promoting products they are literally wearing or using. As long as your account is set up as a business account, what you need to do if you want to make money on Pinterest, you can create Shop the Look pins. For items you've tagged in your pins, someone can click on that little blue dot, see the item, make a purchase, and you earn a commission. In some ways, it's similar to affiliate marketing, but it's with individual products on individual pins. Teach people your Pinterest strategy. When you get really good at any of those ideas above, the next step is to make money on Pinterest by leveraging your Pinterest knowledge. If you manage to find several brands to work with you, other pinners will want to know how. Create some successful Pinterest campaigns for different clients, and give people that knowledge. You can monetize your Pinterest knowledge with courses, ebooks, coaching, etc. Having a blog will help you share your journey and reach other people who want to do the same. Now that you know how to make money on Pinterest, it's important to stay on top of growing your Pinterest audience, and here's how. Create eye-catching pins. Pinterest is a visual tool, and your pins need to stand out. And if you're also trying to make money on Pinterest, then they definitely need to look professional. Interact with other pinners. Make sure you have a business account. Use Tailwind to schedule pins. Have a press or media kit. Always be transparent about your partnerships. Follow Pinterest's guidelines and best practices. Learn about changes to the platform.